Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you step-by-step process how you can easily change a resolution in Windows 11. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is go to bottom next to the search and right click on a start and then click under Task Manager Settings. Now wait until it loads. In the moment when you're going to be here, you're going to be in display, you want to click on display right here. And then you're going to have the adjust resolution. And you have multiple options here that you can choose from the resolution. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much guys for watching. You can also see the night light, etc. And also advanced display here. So yep, thank you very much guys for watching and have a great day and goodbye. Definitely write down below in the comments if this video was helpful. See ya.